What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 28th of July, heading in to the end of the month here. What a long month this has felt like, and a very interesting one for XRP. XRP is what we're talking about this morning. Guys, welcome to the channel. Starting this video off over here on cryptobubbles.net, taking a visual quick glance here at what's going on in the crypto market. Got a couple big movers on the day. Casper IMX to the upside. One's up 9, one's up 4. Pepe down 6. KAS down just about 7%. Once again, cryptobubbles.net. Pretty cool website. Check that out. You can go hour, daily, weekly, yearly. Looks like KAS 6,800% this year. Wow, quite a mover. All right, guys, let's move on here. Real quick before we jump into the chart, into the video, put up a poll on the community tab over on the channel here. Check that out. Posted 6 hours ago. What is your biggest hurdle to overcome in the markets? If you have not yet voted on that, go ahead and do so. The options are when to buy, when to sell, holding the entire move, not selling too early, what to buy / short, as in which products are even worth your time in trading and your capital, and then option down here, all of the above. Head over to the community tab on the homepage and cast your vote over there, guys. Appreciate it. Heading in to the XRP chart. So far, we have some nice lows that are in, and they are holding so far. That is very nice to see. We had a decent sell-off yesterday in the stock market, which is a bit of a concern. Not saying they are 100% correlated. That is the market and the crypto market, but it looks like the stock market may cool off for a bit. So it is a thing of concern, but it depends how you look at it. If money is going to move from the stock market into crypto during this cooling off period, assuming we have one, yesterday's candle looks like we're going to, then it actually could be beneficial to us here. So we'll have to see what happens. So we have the lows. They are holding so far. They are put in on the 25th of July. They came in just below our 68,260 level. That's a nice support level, as well as 69,374. So we have this move up here into a lower high pullback. So we didn't undercut the low over there on the 14th of July on the 25th. So that is a higher low. We wedge up here to a lower high, but there's something that is potentially taking place here. We're going to take a look over at the Casper chart, and I'm going to show you something there. So let's jump into Casper, then we'll come back to the XRP chart. Guys, welcome all of the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys, and of course all of the ones that have been around for a while. So here is the Casper chart. We have a bottom in here, a move higher, and then we have a higher low, and then so far today up 4.4%. So when these markets pull back like this, and then we get a nice move higher, then they start to pull back again, people start to get bearish once again, and you have to be ready for that to be a higher low, because if it is, the move that can follow that is a huge leg, a huge bullish leg to the upside. You don't want to miss out on that. So you want to be able to spot that higher low, assuming you're looking to get into a position or even add to your current position or something along those lines. So back to the XRP chart. Slightly different, the charts are not identical, but the setup is very similar. So we have the pullback here. This actually is a higher low, which is nice. Almost a double bottom, but we didn't undercut the low over there on the 14th, I think was the date. We rally up here. This is a lower high. We're pulling back right now. The question is, will this be a higher low? That's the question. If it is, the move that will follow could be very, very strong and catch a lot of people off guard who are bearish on XRP. So if this does pull back and the lows hold, maybe we pull down to 69,374, or maybe not. We'll see. That's just a level we have right there. Then we could see a very, very strong bullish move to the upside, and it could be big. So we'll have to see. This candle looks like the low so far. Nice big candle wick closing in the upper end of the range. This pullback seems pretty minimal so far. But as always, we're open for anything here, and we're prepared for anything, both bullish and bearish, especially in XRP, especially in the crypto markets. So that is interesting. We could be in the midst right now of printing a higher low and then setting up for that big move that Casper is getting, which is a very nice candle here to the upside. So far we haven't made a higher high for Casper, but it's looking like it wants to, that is. All right, so moving on here to some different areas. We have a couple upper price targets for XRP. If this is a higher low and we do start to rally from here, if we can get above 82,485, we have a target number one up there at 88,960. 88,960 would print us a higher high. We would take out the highs from the 19th of July. That would be 86,960 right in here. And that would be a very, very nice move. That would definitely bring the bulls back into the XRP market. 22.6% roughly from where we're at now, which is 79.73. So I will take a 20% move all day. That is some very nice returns. If we can get above 82,485, get above 86,960. Another target up there, 94,770. 94,770, guys. That takes us all the way up here to just about this high, which is at 94,799. So it would be just below that. So we'll see if we can get up that far. I think we will at some point. Whether it's right now or not, anybody's guess. We'll see. And that would put the market up, the XRP market up 33.25% from where we're at now. Still under that dollar range, but definitely much better than where we're at now, which is 71 cents. So 2 nice targets there. Keep your eye on this thing printing a higher low. If it starts to rally from here, that could be it. We could really be in for a move at least back up to the 82 and, potentially much higher to 86, even to 94. I would love to throw some crazy XRP price targets in here, but we're just not seeing it right now. I think at some point we will. And as you can tell from the chart, you cannot ignore the power of XRP. This was a 73% candle in one day. So these markets can move huge and do it very, very fast. Now, don't forget that we do have much higher XRP price targets on this chart. They go up. They keep on going here. We have all around $1, $2, $3. If we zoom out here, we have a couple other ones way up there. Looks like my highest is at 11.15, but we're into the 4, 3, 4, 6, 11. So I am very bullish on XRP, but things take time, guys. And but like I said, when the markets start to move, it can move quick and really, really be a big mover in the space. Sometimes the biggest mover for the day. So we're keeping a close eye here on XRP. We did add a little bit recently, not financial advice, guys. So that's the bullish scenario. This video, we're not going to talk about anything to the downside, but we do have plenty of targets down here if this market starts to get cooking to the downside and maybe do that test down here to that 57, which would really get people bearish, that's for sure. But we're looking for a higher low and then keeping an eye out for that leg up, that higher high move. So potentially higher low getting printed here, and then boom, starting to look for that higher high into my two targets up there, 86 to 94. Guys, all links down in the video description. Check out the Tasty Trade link if you do not have an account. If you want to open another account, head over to that link. If you use that link, I appreciate it. It does help support the channel. You can trade crypto, you can trade options, you can trade stocks, you can trade futures, you can actively trade within a retirement account, which is very powerful. So check that out, guys. Appreciate it. All right. Have a good one.